All right, now let's go over how to switch users using the SU command, which stands for, you guessed it, switch user. And now let's switch over to the root user, type in SU space minus, hit enter, and then it's going to ask for the password. Remember that the password is password. And there you go, you are the root user. Now I want you to notice one thing. When you're logged in as a regular user, non-root user, you're going to see a $ right here. Now, if you are the root user, however, you are going to see the number sign, pound sign, or hash mark, whatever you call it. Another thing I want you to notice is how we use the minus after the SU. The reason why that we do this is so that all of the target variables for the target user are actually loaded. Now let's switch back to user Michael. When you want to log out of a user, you would also simply just type in exit. Notice how we logged out of user Michael. Now let's do it again to log out of the root user. And now we're back to Michael, which we originally started as when we opened the terminal. Now I want to show you the importance of why you don't want to always be the root user. It's best practice to be a non-root user. So first let's make a directory. We're going to use mkdir and then name the directory. Now let's check it, ls, and we can see directory is there. Now as Michael, since we created the directory, we can remove that directory. So we're going to type in rmdir directory, hit enter, ls, and notice that it's not there anymore. We deleted it. All right, so let's switch back over to the root user. Go to the root directory, cd / use ls to see what's there. All right, and now let's go ahead and make a directory. mkdir delete me is going to be the name of our directory. ls, and we can see that it's there. Perfect. All right, now let's log out of the root user and go back to user Michael, and let's go to the root directory and try to see if we can delete that directory, delete me. So cd / ls, there's delete me. Now let's try to remove it. rmdir delete me, hit enter. Now we get a permission deny. This happens because we do not have the appropriate permissions. We will go over permissions more later. Now there is a way that regular users can obtain access to root level permissions. For this, they need to be a super user and use the sudo command, spelled sudo, like so. We will go over how to make super users at a later time. For now, let's go on to the next lesson.